What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I really don't have any plans. It is currently 12:46 right now in the afternoon, and I'm waiting for my buddy Caleb to wake up so we could film a bomb-ass video, but he's still sleeping. So, plan B. In today's video, it's kind of just going to be a chill video. We're thinking about going to take some photos of our cars, go to some spots, maybe go get lunch together and just kind of drive around, chill. We might go say hi to Kanan, my buddy. He just started a detailing company here in our town. So we're going to go check him out, say what's up. I don't really know what we're doing for today's video, but we're just going to get into it, see how it goes. A lot of my other videos we've done as well, they honestly haven't been planned out. It's just kind of been freestyled and it works out pretty well. So yeah. Anyway, let's get into today's video and see what happens. Shot, really? It's dead. How much horsepower is it pushing right now?
I haven't had it on a dyno. I'm thinking probably like high threes.
High threes?
Yeah.
That's what's up. And what does it come stock?
I think they come stock with like 265.
Shit.
Yeah. Bro.
Yeah, so you're pushing pretty high for it then.
I want to be able to build comfortably at 5, but I'm probably gonna have to go with the stage 2 block.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Obviously go completely opposite of it and go white. I thought about yellow too.
Yellow would be clean as fuck because nobody has that shit.
I thought about bagging it with some black wheels, making it yellow.
Dude, that would be pretty clean.
Yeah.
That'd be clean.
I like the gray.
Yeah.
I'm ready to get some new wheels, some actual real wheels.
Nah, bro, the gray's super fucking clean, bro. Even on camera, bro, this shit looks so fucking good.
It comes with the duck mill on the back of it. This one didn't
yeah.
This shit, it looks ugly as fuck.
So is that the STI version, that wing?
Yeah, this is the STI
okay.
Color match or whatnot, but a lot of WRX runs them and STI people fucking make fun of us, but I don't really give a shit. I think it's a good experience. So Kane's about to take me for a ride in his WRX. It's kind of hard to hear me right now. I'm by a freeway, but I've never ridden in it, so it's gonna be pretty fun. Yes, sir. Dude, this thing sounds so good. I appreciate it. Yeah, I love the way it sounds. That's why I'm gonna change the exhaust.
Yeah, no, bro, this shit sounds nice as fuck. The blow off, bro. I forget it's all-wheel drive and it's like okay to like go off-road.
Oh, yeah.
Like, bro, my Supra would be fucked. Fucking love the Type R, bro. This gives me like Type R feelings, but just like you feel it a little bit more on the pole because like all wheel and shit. But
yeah,
bro,
I was wanting to see what the Top R had.
Oh my gosh, dude, we got to make a video where we go test drive some, bro. You would fucking love it, bro. So my buddy Kane just pointed out to me that I have cinematic mode on my phone and it looks fucking clean as hell. So we've been getting some shots of that right now. The Super Bowl is actually going on here in about an hour, so we're just cleaning up the cars real quick. As you can see, Kanan's doing the hookups. But yeah, he's just gonna clean it up for us real quick, and then we're gonna probably head to a Mexican restaurant and go watch the Super Bowl and just chill for a little bit. But yeah.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, Chuck to look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, baby, lady, you know what it is, I'm not our business. Don't need kisses, no. 33, wait to go, on time. But I see you at the show tonight. But I see you at the show tonight.
Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on J for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title.